Alright, hey guys, so today we're heading to the Las Vegas Monorail with Guy.
What's up, guys?
We're actually going to do a silent disco.
Yeah.
It's like a rave, everyone's got earphones in, everyone's dancing to the same beat. But from the outside, if you haven't got headphones on,
Just
you
looks
probably
like
look crazy.
Looks like a
He said it's on the Las Vegas Monorail, which is the proper monorail, runs through the Las Vegas Strip. It's still going to be open to the public. Seeing like hundreds of people dancing. Should be a lot of fun. It's going to be a great thing to shoot.